Why you should consider setting up an email marketing software. Being involved with an online business requires effective strategies that can help you promote what your business has to offer to potential clients. Also, you have to keep your existing clients updated with what's new with your business that they might be interested to take advantage of. You can't expect them to visit your website or even reach out to you just to make more business with you, but rather you have to take initiative to getting in contact with them. However, this is just one of many goals that you will want to accomplish when it comes to email marketing. Most of all, you need to come up with new stuff to make your business a better business one way or another. So, to keep things balanced, you need to consider having an email marketing software. So, what is an email marketing software? Have you ever had an experience where an email pops up into your inbox from a contact that you don't even know? Well, that sender definitely used an email marketing software. Most probably, the source of the email doesn't even know you at all, or you could have done some business with them before where you have provided your contact details for future references. By using the mentioned software, you would be able to do the same thing to your past, existing, as well as potential clients roaming around the virtual world. Having one installed for your operation gives you the following benefits: being able to make sure of your old email leads, acquire new email contacts online in an automated way, cuts all the hassle of having to send emails manually to each and every contact you have, an economic solution for hunting new email leads. How does an email marketing software work? Have you ever heard about Email Blast? That is one of the functions an email marketing software is able to do. That being said, you can send a single promotional email that talks about new deals that your clients and potential clients may want to venture. All you need to do is upload your old list of email contacts and automatically generate new leads through the software. Once done, you can then send your promotional email to all of your contacts with a single click. That gives you bigger possibilities of much better sales income by directly marketing your business to more prospects. There are even chances of regaining your past clients' business by retouching base with them and them being able to touch back with you as well. What's more, an email marketing software can help you get in track by having you notified with how many among the total number of contacts you have already opened up the email. An email marketing software is a massive tool that can advertise your business to extended horizons without a lot of work done. It gives you the chance of having your name remembered by past clients you have dealt with before and gain more by attracting new people into your business. Indeed, there is no reason why you should not consider setting up an email marketing software for your business.